Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tutarena. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to add more than one picture in Instagram story, and I will show you without using any other app besides Instagram. So let's start. But before it, I'll ask you to go and subscribe to our channel. So let's start. At first you have to open the Instagram app. And here you can see the story, and in here you can take the photo that you want to share, and I'll share this photo. And right there I want to add more photos with it. So for this I will have to go to my gallery. I can go there by tapping here, and I'll go to my photos, and here you can see, and I will add this photo with my story. And for this I have to take the screenshot of it, and you can also edit the photo like this. And then tap on done here. Let's go back. I will add another photo, and for this I will have to take the screenshot again. I can add just it also. And then tap on done here. Let's go back. And here let's go back to the story again. So I want to add more photos with this photo, and for this you have to go to the text right here, and right here you can see the clipboard. Tap right here, and as you guys can see, those are the photos that I have taken a while ago, and I can choose them by tapping right there. And also you guys can adjust the photos like this. If you guys want to add more than 2 photos, and you can also add it. This will be very simple, and this process will be like this previous process. Now tap on the text right here and go to the clipboard, and right there choose the photo that you want to add. If you guys don't want to add this photo, then you can also delete it like this. Now let's add another photo by tapping here, and let's tap here. As you guys can see, I have added the photo, and you guys can also adjust a photo like this. And now it's time to share the story. So let's share it. Now let's watch the story. See how easy to add more than one photo in Instagram story. Thanks for watching our video. If this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you guys want to watch more videos like this, you can find it at our channel. So simply go and visit to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe it. So see you with another video. Till then, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.